Hi, I'm Adam Taylor with the ITS Group. In our last video we took a look at setting up the LanSchool safeguarding console for school-wide monitoring, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to set up a couple of teachers. So I'll just grab them. That's teacher 1. Okay, just log in for the first time and hopefully LanSchool will populate and load in. There it is. So again, you can either choose to register for the newsletter or not at all. And then just left click on the system tray icon. And here we can see our students. Everyone's on the same channel. Just want to quickly go to administer and then preferences. Everything's correct here. So you may notice that the difference between the teacher and the tech is that the tech console and the safeguarding console, channel 0, and it's all unlocked. They can play with it, they can change it to whatever they want. With the teacher, they don't have the option of control. They are literally in the channel they're put into by the tech console. So that's fine. So as with the previous one, I'm just going to load in a pre-made profile for the teacher. Once you've created one, you can then push this out to all of the other teachers. Just saves you a little bit of time during the setup process. Profiles, and we'll go for teacher desktop. There we go, so that's just cleaned up our toolbar a little bit. We're also going to set a custom blank screen as we did in the last video. So that is the default message. If we change that, we're going to replace that with an image. There we go. So this is a teacher console that I've set up for a desktop environment. So all of the tools that relate to desktop machines are listed here. Some of these will become available if the machines are authenticated versus not. I'm also going to set up another teacher, and this is going to be the one we use for our mobile clients. So mobile teacher works a little bit differently. There's a few fundamental differences in the way they behave. The main one being that the teacher desktop, the teacher has a static PC in the room, the students have static PCs in the room, nothing about that environment ever changes. With a mobile teacher, it's a little bit different. This would imply the teacher has a laptop, they move from room to room, so a channel number can't possibly be fixed because they don't stay in the same room. It could also be that the students use mobile devices like iPads, Android tablets, Chromebooks, that sort of thing. Again, they're not fixed devices, channel numbers doesn't really work. So we'll load this teacher. Again, we just want to quickly load a profile if you have one. If not, then we'll make a separate video showing you how to create one. Again, it's really just to make sure that all your teacher consoles are unified, they've got the same tool set, and that they're set up appropriately for the room they're in and the devices they're interacting with. So this time we'll load teacher mobile. There we go. And we'll also set a custom blank screen. Like so. And there we go, that is our other teacher set up. And you can see all of these consoles can see the same 3 students. We will change that momentarily. We can now just pop this off to one side for now. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found it useful. In the next video, we are going to move everything around. So we're going to start putting people into groups. We're going to start moving them around into channels, make sure that only certain people can see certain machines, and really put a structure together. I've been Adam Taylor. Thank you very much. If you did find this useful, please do give us a like. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.